In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to activate your Wise card. For most customers, there is no separate activation step for your Wise card. If your card was issued in the US or Japan, check the relevant sections below. To activate your card, you just need to make your first payment using chip and PIN, or someone else can pay for your first payment using his Wise account. If the chip and PIN payment gets declined, please use the card at an ATM for either cash withdrawal or balance inquiry. Balance inquiry is not supported for cards issued in Brazil. Try chip and PIN payment or cash withdrawal. If your card was issued in the US, you can activate it by using the 6-digit PIN they give you with your card. Go to your Wise account, go to Card, choose Activate Now, and enter the 6-digit code that's on the letter your card came attached to. Just note you can only activate the card when you're in the US, so if you're planning to take it traveling, please make sure to activate it before you go. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.